Looking for furnace repair, maintenance and service in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important a reliable furnace is to keep your home warm and energy efficient. Whether you need furnace repair for a sudden breakdown or routine furnace maintenance to extend your system's lifespan, our certified technicians provide fast, professional service. In Strathcona County, Alberta's cold winters demand a furnace that works when you need it most. That's why homeowners trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert service, quick response times, and honest pricing with no hidden fees. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the top choice for furnace repair, maintenance and service in Strathcona County.